Hey y'all, the devil filed a lawsuit. That's our series. And today we're going to talk about fighting that devil in court. The court we're going to go to is a court of justice, right? Justice, not mercy. Therefore, all that matters is whether you owe the money, not whether you can pay it, not whether it would be difficult to pay, or whether it would be devastating your family. Court is sort of a nerve-wracking thing. There's always the unknown of what can happen, what the other side will do, and what the judge is going to do. Now, provided you filed your answer to the devil's lawsuit, a trial is going to be set. If you don't show up for court, the judge is going to hammer down and you're going to get a default judgment against you. And a default judgment is just as effective and just as dangerous as a judgment rendered after a trial. Okay, now when you show up to court, there's probably going to be a bunch of people there. The judge will start calling the cases, and the attorneys will announce what's going on with the case and whether the case is settled or not. If the case is for trial, the judge will hear or try the case. The parties will sit at their respective tables. The plaintiff, the devil, and the defendant, that'll be you, you'll both be given the opportunity for a quick opening statement of what the evidence should show, how it supports your reason of why the judge should side with them. Then the plaintiff, the devil, is going to go first, and he'll call his witnesses, and he's got to prove the basis of the obligation for you to pay, the amount that is owed by you after giving proper credit for any payments made, and the fact that they made demand on you to make those payments and that you haven't paid it and the balance still remains due. That's what they've got to prove. Then the plaintiff will also probably introduce such things as any agreement that you signed, any account print-offs that shows charges and credits. And then after the devil's lawyers finish, you can cross-examine the witness and attempt to poke holes in their testimony and attempt to prove your position. Next, you'll get to put on your case and you'll get on the stand and have any witness that you want to testify about the situation. And you can introduce evidence that tends to prove what you believe. And of course, if you have any defenses, you talk about that and prove up your defense. And then after you've testified, the devil's attorney can cross-examine you. And of course, they're going to do the same thing that you try to do, poke holes in your situation to show the judge that they should win. All right, after both sides have finished, you'll have the opportunity for a quick closing. Then the plaintiff, who's the devil, goes first, and then you. Your closing argument or statement should comment on the evidence and any testimony. And attempt to persuade the judge that your position is correct. After the closing argument or statements, the judge is going to decide the case and announce his verdict or judgment. He usually does it pretty quick in cases like this. Okay, so our next video, we're going to discuss the judge's verdict or judgment. And I certainly look forward to seeing you there. And in the meantime, if you'd like a copy of the book, that's the basis of all of our talks, The Devil Filed a Lawsuit, Heaven or Hell, Your Choice, a $24.99 value, just go online or give us a call and we'll be happy to send you a copy of it. Also, if you'd like to talk to us about your options in your situation, have a consult on that. It's a $150 value. We'd be happy to do that free of charge for you. So just give us a call, go online, we'll get you hooked up. Also, remember, the reason here is to restore hope and peace to people in financial distress by hitting the reset button on their bills through the bankruptcy process. We're actually here to help. Hope you're having a great day and look forward to seeing you on our next video. Bye now.